The summer salad that makes cherry tomatoes taste like candy. It's the most wonderful time of the year, tomato season. Next time you snag some fresh cherry tomatoes at the farmer's market, use them as the centerpiece of this simple, clean-eating salad. Roasting them intensifies their natural sweetness, and increases the amount of cancer-fighting lycopene your body can absorb. Serves 4 tomatoes. 2 cherry tomatoes on vine. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. 1/2 barley, quinoa, farro, or another whole grain. 2 mizuna, dandelion greens, or arugula. 1 thinly shaved fennel. 2 tablespoons goat cheese, crumbled. Vinaigrette, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1. Roast tomatoes, heat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place tomatoes in 13 inches by 9 inches roasting pan. Coat with oil and vinegar and roast 45 minutes. 2. Place 3 1/2 - 3 3/4 cups water and barley in medium saucepan over medium heat. Cook until barley is fully cooked and slightly firm. 3. In small bowl, whisk all vinaigrette ingredients. 4. In large bowl, combine cooked barley, greens, and fennel. Toss gently with half of the vinaigrette. Serve salad topped with roasted tomatoes and cheese. Serve with additional vinaigrette as needed.